Gold and silver both have traded bullish for the day, and we have seen gold hitting 2030 levels, close to 2030 levels. We have already mentioned that 2028, 2032 is a critical zone for gold on the upside, while silver 22.95, $23 levels. I hope you all profited so far. Now, what to expect with the US session and with the CPI data coming in before the US session? From gold and silver, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get twice a day notifications, twice a day updates. Also, like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the on the hourly charts. Gold, after forming lower lows, it has breached on the upside. Now looking upwards, we have to now wait for it to break below 2024 levels in order to confirm further drop, and specifically below 2018 in order to confirm the reversal. Yes, if and only if gold trades below 2018, we should consider this for a reversal, else it may try to retrace only. Right now, it is trading in this slight bullish channel on the hourly charts. Moving averages have also started to converge. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, it has created a step here. See, first of all, one must note a flat bottom is created. After the flat bottom and consolidation, this is the rise. Now it appears to have stabilized, and now we have to wait for it to break below this bottom level, that is 2018, in order to confirm the reversal here. As long as 2018 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish for the day. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also rising here. On the 3-hour chart, just one point here, that look at the preceding candle, bullishness getting diminished. Thus, if it breaks below 2024, we can initiate a selling entry, wait for it to move towards 2018, the support zone. And if it drops below this, yes, we should treat this for a reversal. Yes, also one must look at, see, this was the previous consolidation zone in which gold traded on the 3-hour charts. Now it has lowered this box here. If you look at a stochastic, this is overbought. MACD has crossed over. It is looking upwards. It is divergent. It is bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise, on the 4-hour chart, see, bullishness getting diminished. And we have to just wait for it to now. See, on the upside, 2028, 2032 is the first zone it needs to break. And then I will wait for it to break beyond 2036. The next resistance levels. If these levels are breached, then the next target is towards 2040-42, and these three sequential levels are going to remain a wall for gold to break past by. If gold trades about 2040-42, do not think of selling gold. We are looking forward to 2060 and plus levels. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, and it is just 2 candles away. It appears we may see a 3rd or 4th candle, which means bullishness here. RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts. See, bearishness got diminished here. Price is reversing here. We have got the resistance intact from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2030, 2032 levels. It has to break beyond this zone, and specifically if it breaks beyond 2040-42, certainly that is a reversal sign. Also, we have noted rise, retracement, a breakout should be the sign of bullishness. Stochastic rising after forming double bottom, and the MACD is trying to converge. Remember, MACD is one which is still bearish. RSI is rising. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Learn the tools and techniques which can help you identify profitable trades and right trends. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live updates of the markets. And if you need any consultation or guidance, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold at this zone between 2032 levels. 2030-32, yes, first resistance zone, then 2036, and then 40-42. If these 3 levels are taken on the upside, consider that gold has reversed and it is bound to give a very strong rally, which may take the prices towards 2060, 2050 to 2060 levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 2024 can be taken, below which I will recommend you to wait for it to break below 2018, 2020. And if gold trades below 2018, just stay bearish. We are looking forward to a sharper drop towards 2008-10 and then 1997-2000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts have seen a good rise after forming a good consolidation and support here at 2270 levels. Now also look at the movement in silver. One must note rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now this is lower highs, and if it is reverses from the current levels, it is going to give you lower lows. Lower lows means 2240. Yes, right now it is very much respecting this bullish channel, and this is a very strong bullish channel here where the highs are well above 2330 zone. On the downside, now the support levels in between 2270 2280 are very strong. We have to wait for silver to now trade below 2270 2260 zone, which is a very strong support zone for silver for the day. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is in green. It was trading with divergence. RSI has seen a little rise. Coming to 2 hour chart, look at the 2 hour charts. Likewise, rise retracement, and right now it is delivering lower highs. So a reversal from here certainly should be taken up seriously, because a reversal from here will take the prices towards 2240 levels. So I'll be definitely watchful of how it behaves now at around 22 60 70 zone. Any break below 2260 should be a sign of bearish, and below 2240 is a confirmation of a crash. The stochastic overbought here, trying to cool down. MACD is green, RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, it has shown a megaphone pattern. There is a reversal sign. Possibly, if the price is now trades below 2280 itself, we can expect it to drop more, because below 2280, possible drop towards 2270 60 will be seen, and below 2260 is where the bears will be taking over completely. Right now, it is very much intact in this bullish channel. Thus, 2260 is a critical milestone for silver to break. The stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, look at 4 hour charts. This could be a reversal sign. Again, I'm saying, because see, the body size is very small. The wick on the upside is strong. This means that there could be a pullback. This means that the prices might try to move towards 2270, 2260 zone. The stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, one must note it has created good step. It has a potential to give similar size of candle. 40 cents here, 40 cents from 2270 is almost 2310, 2320 zone, which is a definitely greater resistance zone. Also, if you notice, it is trading in this channel. The highs of this channel are precisely the highs of previous resistance zone, that is 2320, 2330 zone. Thus, once you see silver staying about $23 levels, we have to initiate a buying position there, and then we can expect 2320, 2330 levels. See, as long as 2320, 2330 is not taken on the up, silver can reverse again. Thus, you have to be trading with caution, very much caution on the upside. On the downside, 2260 is the level. Yes, you can sell here at 2280 itself, but then 2270, 2260, very strong support, and then 2240. If these three levels are taken, consider that silver has reversed and a sharp crash towards 2220 and $22 levels can be seen here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. For any of your queries, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. And do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. It is always a great motivation. And do press the bell icon. Do watch the next update before the Asia and Europe session tomorrow as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.